the election with the strong leadership, and we are very happy that our Honorable Prime Minister's schemes reached each and every house.
Today, JP Nadda roads are also in there.
Yeah, we are strengthened by our Honorable Prime Minister visit and all the Honorable leaders visit.
Congress saying that BJP is a B team of BRS.
How can they say that? Because we are fighting against them, and it is just a false propaganda. That's all I can say.
Congress also saying that in the reservation of the SC, ST and OBC.
No reservation. We won't. Already it has been clarified because we had a OBC commission separately, and we had a OBC commission chairman, and so many things has been done to OBC people, friends. So how can it can be done? Simply
Congress party is saying this is the fight for the concession, safe concession of India.
Constitution, they are talking about democracy and constitution. They crushed the democracy during the emergency period. I am the victim of emergency. My father was imprisoned, all the journalists were imprisoned, and all the leaders were imprisoned, and they did not have the mind to conduct the election, and that when the court intervened only they were able to conduct the elections. They didn't want to conduct the elections in emergency period. How can they talk about democracy? And they dissolved more than 100 times so many state governments. Number of state governments were dissolved. Even Tamil Nadu, the DMK, they are aligned with DMK. The same DMK government was dissolved by the Congress government several times. So they cannot talk about democracy.
PM several times saying you are also a woman on Mangal Sutra.
No, Mangal Sutra, it is mispropagated actually. Our Honorable Prime Minister, actually I have to say, he has safeguarded even the Islamic women, that triple talaq, he has safeguarded their pride, and for Hajj also, he has relaxed the visa formalities, and for women, so many women are given opportunity. I was a governor, and all the before and all only customary portfolios will be given. External affairs and foreign external affairs, finance minister, and these are given by our Honorable Prime Minister. Prime Minister is giving all support to the women, and how can he talk about ill about women? So he is the actually he is safeguarding the womenhood. That's all I can say.
You are in charge of Hyderabad Lok Sabha constituency. Vaisi also attack on BJP on several issues like Muslim, women and other.
No, that and all false propaganda. I can say I am telling the Honorable Prime Minister had a 15-point program to safeguard the minorities from 2016 to 2020. 15-point program for the improvement of minorities, for the development of minorities. As administrator in Puducherry, I have given so many schemes to the people, extension of our Honorable Prime Minister, because more than 14 lakh students had skill training, and more than 4.2 employment has been generated for them. It is in the website. It is in the minority welfare website, and Prime Minister had 15-point welfare program for minorities. Hunar Haat. All the artisans are encouraged, and they were asked to exhibit their products in other places. In Puducherry, 10 lakh people visited the Hunar Haat. So these are so many things has been done. They are in distress. Hindi alliance is in distress, so they will be false propagating everything. Backward class also, all our Honorable Prime Minister is supporting us.